Grab's financial recovery has seen a return to profitability with a net income of $35 million in Q2 2025, up from a loss of $53 million the previous year. This turnaround is likely to strengthen investor confidence and potentially enhance future revenue and earnings forecasts. The company's investments in AI and autonomous vehicles could also lead to adjustments in analyst projections if they materialize. The company's long-term direction is focused on optimizing cost structures and expanding service offerings, which has driven improved profitability. Financial performance has been strong, with on-demand GMV accelerating to 21% year-on-year growth in US dollars. Grab achieved its 14th consecutive quarter of adjusted EBITDA growth, with trailing 12 months adjusted free cash flow expanding to $229 million. The company continues to scale its financial services business prudently, with total loan disbursements reaching close to $3 billion on an annualized run rate basis. Grab is well positioned to sustain growth momentum and expects to accelerate on-demand GMV growth rates relative to 2024. However, the company faces challenges, including an uncertain macroeconomic environment, particularly in key markets like Thailand and Indonesia, which could impact future performance. Mobility GMV growth was slower in the second quarter compared to the first quarter, with trip fares down about 4%. The entry of new competitors in markets like Vietnam could increase competition in the food delivery segment. Consumer incentive spending remains high at around 7% of GMV, which could impact margins. Management has emphasized the importance of affordability and has been working closely with governments to support initiatives like Indonesia's free nutritious meal program and Thailand's tourism sector. Grab has been focusing on product-led investments that enhance resilience and has been reinvesting scale economies into broader accessibility, driving a 23% year-on-year growth in mobility transactions. The company is also heavily investing in autonomous vehicle opportunities, with several pilots planned and partnerships with AV players and OEMs. In terms of capital allocation, Grab remains focused on organic growth, with M&A opportunities being evaluated. There are no new buyback plans, but strategic flexibility is maintained. The company is confident in its ability to sustain growth momentum and accelerate on-demand GMV growth rates relative to 2024.